All right. We are at the Alpine Professional Building in Glenwood Springs.
This button's in really good shape, must be replacement. That's cool. Nice.
It's about to. Hi.
This is in good shape.
Up to 3. That's a nice door.
It's got a ThyssenKrupp floor lockout key switch. That's cool.
Very small out here.
Yeah, this is just a little floor.
All right. Let's come over in your spot and get a picture of the buttons here. Excuse
Buttons
me.
are either replaced or just rarely ever used.
People probably just take the stairs here mostly.
Yeah, and this is in really nice shape.
Anyway, that will be all.
Including the floor you're on, and it'll close the door.
Yeah, it's like old relay logic weirdness. Anyway, that will be it. Let's hear that bell one more time. Nice.